Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on how to enable recommendations from X notifications on the X app. If you've been missing out on personalized suggestions or updates, this quick guide will help you turn them back on so you never miss anything important. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your settings. Everything begins right there. Your settings menu is the control center for all the apps and features running on your device. Next, scroll through the list until you see Apps. Once you tap on it, a new menu will appear showing every app installed on your phone. This is where you'll need to find the X app. After locating it, go ahead and tap on X app. Doing this will open up more detailed settings specific to the app itself. From here, you have the power to manage storage, permissions, and most importantly for this tutorial, notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where you decide exactly how and when the app communicates with you. Notifications play a key role in keeping you updated, and this menu will show all the categories you can customize. Inside the Notifications menu, look for and tap on Notification Categories. Here, every type of notification generated by the app is neatly separated, making it simple to toggle specific alerts on or off depending on what matters most to you. At this point, you'll want to look for the option labeled Recommendations from X. By default, this might be turned off, which is why you're not receiving these updates. To enable it, simply toggle the switch to the on position. That's it. You've now successfully enabled recommendations from X notifications inside the app. From now on, you'll start receiving more personalized content and alerts directly on your device, tailored to your preferences. If you ever change your mind, just return to the same menu and flip the switch back off. But keeping it on ensures you won't miss out on new suggestions, features, or updates that might be useful to you. And there you have it. A few quick taps in your phone's settings is all it takes to unlock smarter, more personalized notifications from the X app.